morning, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to the first virtual Isabelle workshop. And I would like to start with just a few words on the etiquette. So for the general audience, please stay muted unless you have a question and unless you have been asked to unmute yourself or have been unmuted by the session chair or the speaker. Asking questions, you can either raise hand, that should be on the right, if you can manage to get that panel open, a raise hand functionality. And you can also post into the chat, and the speaker should try and watch out for questions and then either ask the speaker to the questioner to unmute themselves or unmute them, because the speaker will actually be co-host, so he can unmute people. And I guess that's more or less it. And the speakers will be promoted to co-hosts by the session chair, and they can then, as co-host, share their screen and give their presentation. And I think that's about it. Let's get started right away. We have three speakers in this first morning session, Chelsea Edmonds, Larry Paulson, and Askar Froome.